Headphones have always been a huge part of our lives as soon as they became completely wireless. But with tech innovating by the day, we now have headphones that can offer real-time language translations. So this is the Timekettle WT2 Edge and their M3 earbuds. Both offer the average consumer the ability to translate a conversation straight to your ears. What is so clever about these is you only need one set, one person has one and the other gets the second earbud, allowing you to bounce back and forth with your conversation with a live feed on your phone. So what truly sets the M3 apart from the WT2 Edge? Well, they are very similar in every way and offer you similar translating abilities. However, the M3 has Hybrid Com 1.0 technology, which allows you and your speaking partner to take turns in listening and talking. This is more recommended for short questions and answers in foreign language surroundings. What's more, unlike the WT2 Edge, you can also use it for music playing and phone calls. With the WT2 Edge on the other hand, it has Hybrid Com 2.0 technology, which allows you and your speaking partner to speak and listen simultaneously, so unlike the M3, you no longer need to wait for your speaking partner to finish his or her sentences before you speak again, making it an ideal tool for an in-depth multilingual communication. You are both going to get a very fast live translating experience, which will be close to true real life, as much as it can be. So let's unbox these two and see exactly what you get in the box and dive into some of the features. Both have a premium and enjoyable unboxing experience. Here with the M3 you get everything you need to get up and running. This includes the earbuds, the charging case, a Type-C charging cable, a spare set of earbuds. The charging case can be split apart into two separate compartments, and when charging is needed, you can reconnect and connect your charging cable. The charging process provides an indicator on the top letting you know when the case is at its maximum charge. You get an impressive 25 hours of battery life with the M3s, so with this case in hand, you're going to get some impressive usage times. The case is completely magnetized, so taking the earbuds in and out is a breeze. It's a really premium design. Now, setting this up with your phone has been made to be a rather simple process. Everything works through Bluetooth. There is a corresponding app that has all the software needed to utilize the earbuds' translational abilities. This is called Timekettle and is available on both iOS and Android Play stores. Once in, we can go ahead and pair the app with the earbuds and we are good to go. The app is user-friendly and very simple to navigate. They have done such a great job at providing a simplistic yet feature-packed app. The app is split into 5 categories, all offering some unique abilities. Now, as we mentioned at the start, the M3 is more suited to a short question and answers basis compared to the WT2 Edge, which we'll talk about later. Its goal is to offer quick and responsive feedback to simple question and answers you need when in a foreign language surrounding. This can actually do that in a couple of ways. Touch mode allows for simultaneous interpretation for an in-depth conversation by simply touching the earpiece. The M3 will automatically pick up your voice and logically segment your speech into sentences between the two parties. One has one earpiece and the other has a second. You can take it in turns to press the earpiece and in turn speak, stop, and the other party will receive that translation. With a promised translation accuracy of up to 95%, it's quite efficient. The M3 also supports up to 40 languages with a variation of 93 accents. Listen mode works very similar with the ability to pick up the other party's voice and then deliver that translation straight into your earpiece and on the phone. What's also great is the script is automatically saved for you to review anytime, making it great for speeches and teaching. The speaker mode allows for two-way interpretation for short question and answers. Very similar to the first one, however you get to wear both earbuds while using your smartphone to outcast translations and pick up what they are saying to you back. And finally, you do get an additional option to help you learn different languages. It will ask you to say the phrase you want and rate your answer. It's a great way to learn different languages on the move. So there is plenty of versatility when it comes to the M3s. They offer an easy to use and user-friendly live translating experience. Furthermore, these have the ability to offer offline translations in 8 languages. So even when you don't have a connection or you're offline completely, the offline translation will allow you to continue your conversations. So the WT2 Edge comes in with a slightly increased price tag, but it does offer a more in-depth experience. Like the M3, it comes with spare earbuds, charging cable, manual, and some over-the-ear pieces. The charging case works in the same way with its magnetized design and uses USB Type-C charging. Now this does have a slightly lower battery life at little over 12 hours, but to be honest, that's easily a day's worth with heavy usage. So you just gotta remember to charge it when the day ends. The setup with these is very similar in every way, however you don't directly connect it in the Bluetooth settings in your phone, you just use the Timekettle app, select the WT2 Edge earbuds, follow the setup and you're good to go. The interface, once again, is very similar, however with these we do get bi-directional simultaneous translations, meaning you can speak and hear other people's translations at the same time. These earbuds support up to 6 people from different languages being translated simultaneously. When in simul mode, we only get the ability to have a 2-person dialogue. The simul mode allows you to share one of your earbuds with your partner, and then you can speak in 2 different languages, with translations being transmitted back and forth to each partner. You just set the languages in the app and the direction, and you're good to go. This is fantastic when you require an in-depth communication for a longer period of time. Touch mode works very similar to the M3, simply tap your earbud and speak, and then your message will be translated and delivered to anyone listening. When you finish speaking and you're ready to listen, just tap the earbud again and let someone else have their say. Kinda works like a translating walkie-talkie. Speaker mode gives you the option to wear one of your earbuds and hold your phone in front of your conversation partner. He or she can then hear the translation aloud or view the translated text. Both of these earpieces offer a really unique ability to allow the average person, business personnel or traveller to communicate across the globe without being limited to relying on others to do the translating for them. Both offer their respective attributes and price points, the M3 being an extremely cost-effective way to communicate easy sentences and dialogue, while the WT2 Edge allows an individual to indulge in an intensive conversation without having to compromise on waiting times of the translations and stopping for the other to talk. Whatever you're after from an in-ear translator, well, the Timekettle series offers a very cost-effective solution. Check out the products in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.